So, hello everyone. Bonjour tout le monde. Comment vous allez? J'espère que vous allez bien. So, today I want us to look at the greetings in French. So, if you're a beginner, so I would like you to know how to greet in French. Maybe you want to travel, or maybe you have someone that you want to communicate, maybe your friend that you're learning French together. So, I will advise you to pay attention to this video very well from A to Z. So you can see the basic greetings in French. French is a language of respect. So we have bonjour. So if you want to give an elderly person or like person that you know that this person is like my senior or like you want to give the person respect, you can say bonjour, 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 bonjour. Then it means good morning or hello, like you are showing respect. Then you say bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir means good evening. So you can repeat after me the two. What is this? Again, bonjour. Very good. It means good morning or hello. So yeah, let's go to the second one. Bonsoir. Again, okay, bonsoir. That's good. It means good evening. Very good. So if you now say salut, salut. T is silent in French. When it is the last letter, we don't pronounce it. So you can say salut, salut. So it means I or bye for informal. You can use it for your friend. You can say like you're saying I, salut, salut. Then we have coucou, coucou, coucou. This is very informal. Just saying hi, hi. Yeah, let us pronounce it. What is this? Mhm. Very good. So let us pronounce it again before we move to asking how someone is. So bonjour. So bonjour, bonsoir, bonsoir. Then salut, salut, coucou, coucou. So let us go to asking how someone is in French. So if you say comment ça va, look at this, comment ça va, comment ça va, it means how are you. So yeah, pronounce it, let me hear. Say it again. Very good. Comment ça va? Are you saying it? Comment ça va? So it means comment ça va means how are you? Then you can say ça va, ça va, ça va, ça va, ça va, ça va. It means how are you? So you can say informal. So if you put comment, it means you are respecting the person or you are what is it called? Then you are also respecting the person to show how the person is in French. So if you are saying ça va, that means it's informal. You can use it for your friend or anyone you want to use it for. Then you can see, yeah, let us pronounce it again. Ça va, so it means how are you? That is informal. Then the most common one to respect someone is comment allez-vous? Comment? So we are going to add this T and A together. It's going to be ta, le, vous. So this is pronounced as A in French. EZ. Whenever you see EZ, pronounce it as A in French. So comment, then add this T and A together. It's going to be ta, le, vous. So comment allez-vous? So it means how are you? So that is formal. So let us pronounce it again. What is this? Then very good. So comment allez-vous? So it means how are you? So let us take it again. So mhm, mhm. Wow. So yeah, let us say comment ça va? Ça va? Ça va? Comment allez-vous? So comment allez-vous? So please follow for more videos. And if you want me to take any subject, maybe you're a beginner or you're in B1 to B2, if you want me to take any French subject, so you can write it at the comment section. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Au revoir.